is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking you along for a day in the life. So stick around, we're just doing some swimming right now. You want to say hi?
Hi!
And then we're going to do some swimming and then show you guys what I eat. So we will see you in a bit. All right, straight from the pool to the pull-up bars, I'm gonna try something that I've never done before, and that is 10 muscle-ups in a row. Right now, I want you guys to comment down below, do you think I can get 10 muscle-ups? Yes or no? I won't be mad if you say no, because it's not very easy to do one muscle-up. So to do 10 is quite the challenge. But I wanna know what you guys think, and I'm gonna warm up real quick and then get going. So let's do it. Man, I really thought I could do that. I think I got 7, if I counted right. That is not easy. I am gonna get the last 3 though. Kind of pissed that I didn't get 10 in a row, but it's all right. Got to practice more. And we'll be able to do them soon. Filmed a little bit on the gram. As you can see, I got an iPhone. I used to have a Samsung. Now I am Team Apple. But let's get these last 3. I'm gonna take a little breather, hang on the pull-up bar a little bit, do some ab stuff, and then finish those last 3 muscle-ups. It wasn't super clean, but did it. Feel something in my back though. Man, I think I pulled something in my back. I can feel something here and it kind of hurts. I'm over the pull-up bars and the home workouts. I'm ready to go back to the gym. And speaking of gyms, mine opens tonight at midnight. So it just opens Friday. So I'm curious what you guys think. Should I go on the first day? Should I wait a couple days before? I was thinking I'm just gonna go either Friday or Saturday, wait a day, if anything. But I'm curious to know what you guys think. Let me know. And now I'm pretty much done here. I'm not gonna do anything more because my back kind of hurts and I don't wanna do anything else. So I'm gonna go home and eat, and I'll show you guys what meal we're gonna be having. I'm not even sure what it is quite yet, but as soon as we get home, I will show you guys that. So let's get on the road. Got some strawberries and some cherries. Nothing better than some cold fruits after a nice hot workout. Check out that bowl, guys. Wow. A lot of veggies, jalapeno sauce, and some General Tso's Asian sauce. Got some rice hidden under all the veggies. And let's take a bite. I think I gotta bend down so you guys can see me, but let's take a nice bite out of this. I'm kind of worried that jalapeno sauce is pretty spicy. We'll see. And I put a good amount of it for the picture. The things you do for Instagram. All right, let's take a big old bite. Okay, it's pretty spicy, but it's doable. I think we'll see. That was the first bite. I'm gonna mix it up and see how it goes. I just figured it's a green sauce. It'll probably look really nice contrasted with General Tso's sauce, you know? I was like, this will make for a nice picture. I'm gonna have to mix this all up because another hefty sauce bite like that, my mouth's gonna be on fire. All right, now we got a little more mixed up. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this meal right here and I will see you for the next one. All right, guys, time for another meal. We are gonna do a lot of oatmeal right now. About a cup of oatmeal. And then I went ahead and added a lot of raisins. And then I'm adding a hefty amount of peanut butter, because peanut butter oats are the best. Add some hot water, mix it all up. It's not the prettiest, guys, but trust me, it is delicious. I'm also gonna add some maple syrup to this and some bran flakes for some crunch. Add a little mixture of textures. We got the soft, creamy oats, and then we got some crunchy cereal. Perfect combination. Now I'll add some maple syrup, mix it all up once again. And then we added our cereal, and now we got ourselves a nice oatmeal. Look at that. All right, let's dig in. What, the lemons? Those are falling from our tree. Oh, the water bottle? Yeah, I know. Say that again?
Well, I don't understand why people are littering.
Littering?
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand either. So it's been about an hour since I finished those oats, and man, oats make you sleepy. So me and the little one are going on a little walk right now, and just to, you know, burn off a little calories, get some exercise. We actually did go on a walk this morning, and this is our second walk of the day. So yeah, so when I get back, I think I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'll probably wait a little bit, but we'll be on this walk for...
some of that smoothie. I'm the one who wanted you to make a smoothie.
Yeah, he loves the smoothie, so I'm gonna be making some. I would have made it regardless though if you wanted it or not, because I always make smoothies. But we're gonna make a smoothie, and I'll have him try it as well. Oh, my finger had that sticky stuff from your candy. Now it's on your hair. Sticky hair.
Sticky hair?
Sticky hair. Also, guys, do you notice anything different? In the middle of the day, I shaved my head. So I started this video with hair, and now I got no hair. It just feels so much better. I don't know why, but actually I do know why, because there's no hair on my head. That's why it feels better. But I like this look. You guys gotta let me know. Do you like this look? I think it's cool. I got a lot of hair, so maybe I should be growing it. I am grateful for it, but I also like the feeling of no hair on my head. It just feels very free. Even he wanted to shave his head earlier. Isn't that right? Hey, watch it. Come on. He was getting frustrated because you're trying to put the goggles on, and then he had a lot of hair, so it was pulling on his hair, so he wanted to cut it because of that reason. And because he likes it, because it's soft, supposedly. It is soft. Actually, no, it's not. My hair is very prickly. It's not soft at all.
What is soft for me?
All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down and enjoy this walk, and I will see you guys when we get back to the house so we can try this smoothie.
Oh, and I'm gonna be in the video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, is the smoothie's gonna be in the video?
Yeah. Ow. Hit the camera. Oh. Hey. Hey, all right. All right, that's my phone. You got to be careful now, buddy. All right, guys, so I already had a little bit of the smoothie, and of course, the smoothie is always delicious, but now this guy just finished his game, so it's time for him to take a little taste test. Show us what it's like. Purple smoothie.
It's good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I didn't fill the whole cup. If you guys are wondering why I didn't fill the whole cups, because last time he didn't finish it. So I still got some left in the Vitamix, so if he finishes it and wants more, he gets more. If not, I'll drink the rest. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.